Alright, you guys. Hey, sorry I can't be here. I'm helping out my mom today, so hopefully you'll enjoy this assignment. It's kind of a fun thing. You're going to end up making something really cool when you're done. So this is called stained glass functions. They're actually going to be linear, meaning they're straight lines, linear. So here's what you got to do today. Today you're only doing these two bullets. Okay? This will all be tomorrow, the next day. So we'll worry about this part next time. So for right now, you're going to create a stained glass design on graph paper using the slope intercept formula. M is the slope. B is where you begin. And I think we know that. We've said it about 20 million gazillion times. So the criteria is you have to have two lines that are horizontal. So y equals 5 or y equals -2. Those would be horizontal. But you don't have to use those numbers. Okay, and then two that are vertical. This would be x equals something like that. Those would be vertical lines. Okay. And then so that's 4 lines total there. And then if you want an A, see, you got to have 16 linear equations on here. 16 if you want an A. If you want a B, you have less than 16, and it's somewhat neat, complete, a bit of quality. But anyway, you're going to do 16. So that means you need 12 y equals mx plus b equations. Alright? And you make them up at random, if you want, random, or if you want to make a design that looks like something. That's tricky, but you can do it. So let's start our design. I'm going to just show you how to do it. Don't copy this down, just watch and let people listen. So here we go. I'm going to graph y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to make up a slope. I'm just going to say 1/4 x minus 10. So that's my first equation. I'm going to go down to -10, and then I'm going to rise 1, run 4, rise 1, run 4, and then I'm going to draw with my ruler. I'm going to draw a line that goes all the way across the page. Okay? And then I'm going to very neatly label that line as y equals 1/4 x plus 10. Okay? So when we make our stained glass, we'll be sliding this paper into a sheet protector, and then all you'll be doing is tracing over these lines. So it's okay that this doesn't look beautiful right now, because you won't be tracing the equation you wrote. You'll just be tracing the lines you're making. Okay? Awesome. Alright, let's do another one, and maybe this one I want up higher, and I want it parallel, so I'll do 1/4 x plus 10. So I'll go up to 10, and now I'll go up 1/4, up 1/4. Take my ruler and draw a nice, neat line that goes all the way across the page. I don't need to put lines, so I got to make it go all the way across. And then make sure you label it. If you don't label it, I can't give you credit. You got to actually label it 1/4 x plus 10. Okay. All right. And then maybe I want a line that goes zinging the other way, negative. So I'll do y equals -7x plus 5. And so I'm going to go to 5. And this time I'm going to go down 7 for every 1. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 1. And take my ruler and draw a line through there. And that was a fail. I'll try again. And there we go. And I'll extend it all the way out with my ruler. Only I don't have a ruler. Sweet. Okay. So maybe I want a horizontal line. So I'm going to do y equals 5. Oh, I forgot to label it, didn't I? So I got to label it y equals negative 7x plus 5. And maybe I don't want to label it there because it'll get in my way, so maybe I'll go down. Maybe I'll go down to the bottom and I'll label it y equals negative 7x plus 5. Awesome. Okay. And let me just do one more. Maybe I'll do, I got to have a couple horizontal and a couple vertical, so maybe I'll do y equals 5 and x equals 2 just to see. So y equals 5 is going to be zing right there. Right there. I'm going to label it y equals 5, crosses at 5. And then I'll do x equals 2. That's a vertical line that goes through 2. And there we go. So that's what you do, guys, and I'll show you an example of some nice work in 1 second. Okay, you guys, so again, remember you got to have 16 equations. 4 of them are supposed to be horizontal or vertical, and I forgot to label this one. X equals 2 for this one. Okay, so you just label them, do 16, have fun, make a cool design, and then when we come back tomorrow, this is what you'll end up getting when you use Sharpies and straight lines and pick nice colors, and we'll actually crinkle up some tin foil and put behind it and make it look like stained glass. It's really kind of nice and a lot of fun. Thanks, guys. Do your best and have a good day.